Hello everyone. Let's look at an introduction to CEFR text analyzer. The CEFR levels are a way of describing a person's level of English. They are getting more and more popular. In these slides, I am recommending the ESL teachers to use a text analyzer. Why? So now I'm going to take you to the next slide, which shows on how to use the CEFR text analyzer. Looking at this slide, these are the steps to use the CEFR text analyzer. Step 1. Type a CEFR text analyzer. For example, let's look at example 1. The birds fly high in the sky. Copy and paste a block of text in. Let's take a look at this slide. Example 2. I have copied and pasted a block of text in. I hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification.